Everybody's RV journey starts out the same way, getting your first RV. But for us, it also included knowing we were going to live in it full time and we were going to remodel it, all before we started our full-time adventure. This is how we got started. Hi, I'm Dwight.
And I'm Connie.
And together we're
Beck's Backroads.
We travel the back roads and trails to find the unique, the beautiful, and the sights that not everyone gets to see.
Come join us on our next Backroads adventure.
Hey, thanks for finding our channel. It wasn't easy making this video. We've been trying. We really have been.
Thanks for tuning into our channel. I'm Connie. That's Dwight. And you know what? Filming these videos is not as easy as you think it is. It takes time. It takes patience. Location number 2, Beck's Backroads. We're trying to get the first video done for you.
But we finally, hopefully, found a place where we can talk about what we want to talk about, which is
RV life on the road. How did we choose to do that?
how did we get here? Well, it all started in COVID.
When Dwight was working from home and got bored. So guess what we did? We bought a Jeep and we went camping. We bought a 9-person tent with lights in it. We bought cots and sleeping bags, but then we upgraded to blow-up mattresses. We had side tables. We even had a luggable loo.
And let's not forget the lights in the ceiling. And at night, we could look out and see the stars.
We could. Oh, and we had our entry rug too. It was pretty cool. Yes.
So, you know what? From there, we started thinking with retirement on the horizon, hey, could we do something like this full time? Maybe overland with a tent on top of the Jeep.
No, that tent was a little too small.
Somebody wasn't going for it. So with a retirement looming, we decided, yeah, we could do this in an RV. So now we had to start our search for an RV. And what do we want, Connie?
We wanted a Class A RV.
And why did we want the Class A RV?
So I can get up and go to the bathroom whenever I wanted to. And I could look out that big front window and take lots of pictures.
And any other reason?
And most importantly, so I could get up and make the driver, this guy right here, make him a sandwich.
And that's very important.
Yes, when we're just 30 minutes down the road.
After a little bit of research, I decided we wanted to buy a rig where we could stay debt-free, both with the purchase, and we knew we were going to remodel it, so we wanted to be debt-free through that whole thing. I wanted a rig that was a diesel pusher because we were going to be on the road full-time. And being a diesel pusher, I wanted it to be pre-DEF. So that put it earlier than 2010. And one thing, I wanted what I called a dumb RV. That's one that doesn't have a lot of technology in it. I didn't want to have to deal with that and any of the breakdowns while we were on the road. So from there, I came up with a plan, and here's what we got. This is it, our 2000 Monaco Diplomat. And of course, once you buy it, you've got to get it home.
New motorhome. Here we go. How you doing, Big D?
Well, that was an experience. Wow, a lot more weight, butt puckered, but I got through it.
You did it. The first drive.
The first drive on my own, my gosh.
That first drive was quite an experience. Let's go on inside and see what we have to work with. And as you enter the cockpit, you notice there's really nothing special about it. The seats had been redone, so it made it look nice up front. Here's the overview of kind of the living area of the coach. The slide's not out, but the furniture patterns of the day were very typical. And actually, as I look back at some of the pictures right now, I think, you know, that wasn't so bad. Actually, it looked pretty good. I wonder why we ended up remodeling it. As you see up in the front, most RVs do. We had the TV up in the cockpit. We knew we wanted to take that out and rework those cabinets. And then as you come back, then it had the chair. It was dated, and the table we were going to take those things out. The next item is we wanted to remove the dinette. It was just Connie and myself. And then, of course, all of the window surrounds we were going to remove throughout the whole coach. On the driver's side of the RV, the couch was pretty well worn. It was a jackknife sofa. We wanted to remove that. And then as far as the kitchen goes, the only thing we really were going to do here, we were going to take out the tile off the back, get rid of the microwave. The refrigerator was a typical RV refrigerator of the day, and one of the nice things next to the refrigerator is we had the slide out pantry, and really a nice feature to have. This is kind of a look down the hallway leading into the bedroom. There are two big closets. And now we come to the challenge area.
I'm trying to imagine myself on a daily basis, walking into here, shoulder to shoulder, barely being able to reach back and make my maneuver to be able to get a clean tuchus. You know, so I don't know. I'm thinking we need to expand this a little bit. What do you guys think?
Here's the vanity and shower area, and you can see the vanity is kind of tight with that wall there, and we just felt that the doors to the shower just kind of made it feel a little bit tight. And then finally the bedroom, and cabinets all up and around. Looking out the other way, you can see we had a bank of drawers and a TV, and neither one of us watched TV in bed, so we thought, okay, how could we repurpose that space? So there you have it. That's our RV that we started with, and next video we'll take you down the road of what we actually did to it. And our budget all in, start with, was $65,000.
And our time frame was 6 months. So you'll have to tune in to see if we got it done in 6 months.
Yes, and we'll walk you through all of that and all the pain to get through those 6 months. Maybe a little more. Anyhow, if you enjoyed this, we'd appreciate it if you give it a like and subscribe, because we'll be doing a lot more videos here in the future, both about our RV and about the travels we've taken in the last 2 years. Thanks for joining us.
Can't wait to see you down the road.
Beck's Back Road.
See you soon.
Good. You always got to get the hands in there. Hey, thanks for finding our... Hey. So do you think that's okay?
I don't know. We're going to find out.
Oh, and here we go. Here we go. I
Here
parked
we go.
someplace where nobody would be, and what do we get? Somebody that's got to come out of a road. Okay. Hey, thanks for finding our channel. We're, thanks for finding our channel. As you heard, I'm Dwight.
Start over.
We're running out of building.